Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert degree symbol in Excel. Adding the degree symbol in Excel enhances data clarity and professionalism, particularly when documenting temperatures or angles. So let's start the video. Here we have a sample Excel spreadsheet with some temperature record. To put degree sign in single Excel cell, place your cursor in the cell and then click on the Insert tab in the main menu. Now click on symbol icon in the far right corner and then select symbol. A symbol dialog box will appear. Make sure you are in the symbols tab. In the subset drop-down menu, choose Latin 1 supplement. Now scroll down until you see the degree symbol, click on it and then click on Insert button and finally click on Close. A degree symbol is now inserted into your cell. Now we want to insert degree sign in this whole temperature column. For this, first copy the degree symbol we have just added. Now select the temperature column. Now right click on it and select Format Cells from the menu. In the left sidebar, select Custom. In Type, select 0 from the list. Now place your cursor after 0 and paste the degree symbol. Now click on OK button. A degree symbol will be added to the temperature column. So that's how to insert degree symbol in Excel. Thanks for watching.